Hello everyone, welcome to the Lex Report. So, this is Pragya Sharma, and this is our very first podcast. I'm the founder of the Lex Report, where we bring together voices from legal world to share journeys, experience, and insights on law, justice, and everything in between. Today, we have with us an inspiring guest, Advocate Piyush Tandon, founder of Nyay Purti. Sir, please, can you please join us?
Yeah, thank you so much, Pragya, for such wonderful introduction. And I'm grateful to you that you have given me that opportunity, that kind of opportunity to basically add my knowledge and the less kind of things which I know about the legal field. And thank you so much to you. And I seem that it will go in a better way, in a better manner. And thank you.
Thank you, sir. So first, I'll just give your quick introduction. I maybe many people know you. So he is a dynamic legal professional, expertise in areas like crypto law, intellectual property rights, criminal defense, and matrimonial disputes. Beyond his practice, he also are passionate about legal education and mentorship. So thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. It is truly a pleasure to have you on the Lex Report.
Thank you, Pragya.
So to start with, sir, could you please first tell us about your educational background and where did you study law and how was your experience as a student?
So if I tell you about my schooling, I have done my schooling from Bal Bharati Public School, Gangaram branch, the principal branch of Bal Bharati. And my college days were from IP University. Basically, I've done my college from Fairfield University,
Okay,
basically Fairfield School of Law. And I think that that much I have done in my law.
okay.
Yes.
So how did you begin your journey in law?
Basically, it was a thought. The major scenario was that I don't like maths. I was basically out of that scenario that I don't want to do maths,
Likewise.
mathematics, and all in my life. So that much thing was a big breakthrough for me. कि यार मुझे अब mathematics नहीं करना. I don't want to be in a numerical world. So that's why I choose a law. But there are sections which get me at that scene कि यार mathematics भी थोड़ा बहुत ठीक था. But the scene is कि हाँ, there are a lot of things which was happened in my life. That's why I changed my mindset and I was into कि मुझे law ही करना है. एंड आई थिंक सो सबकी लाइफ में एक ना एक पॉइंट आता है जिसमें वो सोचता है हाँ यार लॉ इज अ बेटर फील्ड फॉर यू टू एक्सेल एंड टू सक्सीड एंड टू बी एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी in front of anyone. So
Yeah.
that's why I choose in law.
So
The
that's
major
what,
breakthrough is
but okay, that's one thing. But what
correct.
inspired you to, continue in this field?
Majorly, I have seen when I was 6 years old. So, like my family is going through one of the cases in Mumbai. So I have seen a lot of like I used to go to courts with them. I've seen that how court works, what were the scenarios, what are the respect which is given to a advocate, and after seeing such kind of things, and after getting into the law, into the cases which my family members were facing, so I decided to be in this career because देखो क्या होता है कि आजकल लोग तीन ही करियर को देखते हैं. If you are a doctor, if you are a engineer, or if you are a lawyer, right?
That's
And
true.
even if you see our independence, right? So we have literate people out there who are doctors and who are lawyers, even founding members of our country, even founding members of our constitution is lawyers only,
Indeed.
right? Even if you see K.M. Munshi, Bhimrao Ambedkar, these people are basically barristers, lawyers, and all. And even Gandhi ji has done. So that much scenario if we say, and even there's a quote that advocates runs the country and runs the world. So that much amount of respect which we get in this career It's very incredible. It's very wonderful for us to be in career in the, in, if, to be in a career like this. So that's why I opted this career. This is the
That's
major thing
that's
I
really
tell to everyone, that an advocate can do anything. Even advocates can become a leader, can become inspiration, anything.
true, true. So when you started in your early years, so what are some challenges and lessons that helped you shape your legal career actually?
Basically, in my earlier years, it's like, even as a law student, you don't know what is the major scenarios in your early year. Yes, yes, yes. So this video is recorded, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Getting recorded. Okay, fine. So basically, if you are in your first and second year, you don't know about the same, that what is happening in your life, how things have to work, and how you have to grow in such scenario. But after third year, you will get to know a lot of things in this, right, in this career. But right now, what I see, that many of the law students in their first year and second year, they know many things. Right. जब हम थे हमें इतना नहीं पता था, to be honest.
Nowadays, kids are more aware of things.
Yeah, they are more aware of like what else you can learn, and they are getting opportunities out there. And even in Nyayapurti, we have students from first to last year, and they are that much have kind of zeal to work. And I'm seeing this, and I am incredibly getting it proud कि यार आजकल है कुछ ना कुछ ये लोग करना चाहते हैं. They want to be in this field, but elsewhere there is some people also which we have to filter out, right? Who really want to know, who really want to excel themselves in this field, and who are just doing it for just the sake of their
They have a degree
basically
of law.
career and all.
Hmm.
It's like that.
So I was
So
just about to ask you that you have founded Nyayapurti and Narakshala. What inspired these initiatives and what vision do they represent?
as I tell this in every podcast I do, basically it's all about that people are not aware about their rights. Correct. Even I met a lot of people in last 1 year. Like there are thousand people who I met. They are like they self doubt themselves. They self degrade themselves. They're like, यार हमारे लिए जैसे if there is someone who is a beggar or something, or else he's a rickshaw puller or something, then he will say that हमारे लिए तो कानून है नहीं, हम तो
True.
ऐसे ही हैं, हमें तो कोई कोई सरकार कुछ नहीं देखती, हमारे लिए सरकार कुछ नहीं करती. एग्जाम्पल, देयर इज अ सीवेज प्रॉब्लम इन अ स्लम, राइट, एंड दे आर लाइक हमारे लिए तो कुछ कर नहीं रही सरकार, हमें लिए तो कुछ करती ही नहीं है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू इंडिकेट, वी हैव टू टेल देमसेल्फ कि यार आप खुद को सेल्फ डिग्रेड करोगे, आप सही अथॉरिटी के पास नहीं जाओगे तो कैसे होगा कुछ. करेक्ट. एंड इफ देयर इज अ सीवेज प्रॉब्लम in your locality, you have to go to MCD. You can go to MCD, you can lodge a complaint there. इंग्लिश नहीं आती, हिंदी में दो, बोल के दो,
Yeah,
किससे लिखवाओ.
exactly. And the
Right.
problem is people are those people are not aware about it, that where to go, how to
Yeah,
reach.
yes, we have to tell them. We also tell them the procedure. We also tell them the path, how to go, where to go, and how you can approach someone if they are walking. They are not willing to do that. They are
Hmm.
not willing even. They are like very lazy to do that. They are like they खाली वो खोजते हैं हर एक चीज को. Even they are living in the encroached land, and they even basically I am not a big fan of the government though, but I can tell that they are not approaching the right authority, correct, and degrading themselves out of nowhere. It's the basic thing which I've learned, and I was like I was seeing, I was seeing it everywhere. Even when I didn't started this organization, I was like, when I was coming back from court, Then I have seen a lot of rickshaw pullers, electric rickshaw pullers, and all that kind of people out there who always says that government कुछ नहीं करती, पुलिस वालों ने परेशान कर रखा है, फलाना ढिमकाना. So that thing, they have the power in their own hands,
True. So they
right?
don't want to, get out of their comfort zone.
या उनको पता है कि भैया हम वहां जा सकते हैं, बट वो पहले ही सोच लेते हैं यार कुछ होगा ही नहीं वहां, या वो सोच लेते हैं यार उसमें फंसना नहीं है.
True.
They even someone of my we got a lot of cases. People are like living like there are domestic violence cases in these areas. Ladies are like, I don't want to be with my husband. He used to beat me. He used to
Hmm.
basically give me poison. A lot of things are there, right? But after that, the basic result is that they don't want to be into the into the basically into the court filing their complaints. They don't want to complain.
Yeah.
They are facing it. They are even basically saying us to that we don't want to be with my husband. He's doing smack. He's doing such kind of things. But still, they don't want to take any action.
Hmm.
The major
So
scenario is this in this legal field, and not in legal field. Between these people out there, they don't
yeah,
want to take a step.
because they are very, in a comfort zone, and also they might think
They
that.
are not in a comfort zone. They are not in a comfort zone. They don't want to take action. They're like it will there are many expenses. कोर्ट में टाइम लगेगा, कोर्ट कुछ करेगा नहीं, हमें कुछ नहीं करना. भाई डालोगे नहीं तो कैसे होगा?
The
Right? If
process,
you
they don't want to,
ah,
get into the process of it.
yes, yes, correct, correct. Today I have talked to someone of my friend. He was a influencer. He has many followers on Instagram. Then he was claiming that this company has done this with me. So how I can do, what I can do, tell me, guide me. And I was like, yeah, take a legal action against the party. No, I don't want to be in a legal scenario. Tell me another step. I was like, you are talking to an advocate. So what else I can tell you? Right. I will
Yeah.
tell you the major systematic way what you can do. And this is the only systematic way. What else you want to do? No, no, nothing else. Nothing. Basically, it's not like that. Tell me a different way to go. So people they don't want to get indulged in law. They don't want to get indulged in courts,
Actually, the major thing
legal
what
remedies.
I think is they don't trust the government and the law how they should.
It's not all about the government. Parliament make laws, correct? But you have to trust your lawyer about the same.
Exactly what I'm.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, you have to trust your lawyer. Then you have like lawyers are the doctors.
hmm,
They save your life, right? They save your
true.
life. Like we are saving someone who are getting convicted in a rape case. We are saving someone who are getting convicted in a murder case. We are saving someone who is honest, who is not guilty, right? We are saving that person. We are saving that person from police. We are saving that person from other authorities, right? So we are the lifesavers, but they
True.
don't trust us. They can give money to doctor. They can give the money to any of the person, right? But they can't give money to a lawyer.
I get it. And also, what I think the major reason is, people don't trust us fully because they have seen so much, corruption over there, and also distress and dishonesty towards the people.
Hey, I've talked it in a earlier of the many schools and colleges. I've talked about the same, that it's not all about the corruption. Who is giving the corruption? The people out there. The citizens are only liable to give the corruption to these people right there. Correct. If you go to in a systematic way, you don't have to give a corruption. I have fought a lot of cases. I didn't give any corruption to anyone.
Hmm.
Correct. It's like that. It's a mindset. It's a
So,
mindset of people what we have to change.
but what influenced this mindset is the past, the history we have seen, because there are so many cases in which we also right now, there are so many cases and judgments which, don't fulfill the impact and requirement, and also citizens and everyone get, we also get disappointed by so many judgments.
Basically, there is a mindset out there with everything.
Hmm.
There can't be a neutral judgment.
Yeah, true.
No judge can't give a neutral judgment,
It is true.
and neither of a judgment can be a neutral.
Hmm.
If you example, right, if I give a judgment, if I am a judge, if I am a Supreme Court judge, example, I am giving a judgment on disability rights, or even if I am giving a judgment on same sex marriage, right? So it's not like कि देखो कुछ लोग होंगे जो सेम सेक्स मैरिज को में बिलीव करते हैं, दे आर लाइक हाँ इट्स अ गुड जजमेंट, they are giving this in our favor,
Hmm.
it's very good. A lot of people, 80% people will think that it's a good judgment, it's a good, not 80% in India, basically 40% people will look into it, and the other remaining person will be like it's not good, it's not a better judgment. Why it's not natural in nature, it's not good, it's against the law of nature. So neither of the judgment can be neutral. If you
True.
see any of the judgment of Supreme Court, High Court, any court,
Hmm.
no judgment can be neutral. Even the judgment is in persona,
Hmm.
in nature,
Yeah.
है ना? In rem in nature, in persona in nature. So the judgment can't be neutral. Correct. So we can't even point out, object any of the judgment, because we know that any of the group will be getting benefit of this, of that judgment. Anyone
It is.
will get benefit,
Yeah.
and the other person will not get benefit of the same. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
Everything has a pros and cons
True.
for every individual,
Hmm.
the one or another. Correct. So it's like that.
And as you've already told us, you have, work across multiple fields, that criminal defense, matrimonial disputes, IPR, and crypto law I've seen as your work. So, how do you balance these practice areas?
Basically देखो पता है क्या होता है, as a lawyer you have to do everything.
Hmm.
You have to be one man army. Correct. You can't ignore something. After getting into a touch, after getting into a niche practice,
Hmm.
you can opt one practice out of it. You can opt one subject or one path out of it. But in your initial years, till 5 to 6 years of your litigation practice or something, if you are doing in law,
Hmm.
you have to do everything. Everything you have to do. But you don't have to make it your livelihood. अरे यार मुझे ये तो ये सही लग रहा है, इजी है, वही करना है.
Hmm.
Correct. You have to make, you have to do everything till your 5 to 6 years.
But I don't think anything is easy in law or in legal field.
No, it's all about the mindset. Correct. I have talked about the mindset everywhere, and still I talk to, still I point out about the same. That mindset is something which is has to have to be changed. If you think that you are not eligible for the same, it's your mindset.
Hmm.
The person creates his or her own restrictions.
It is true, but what I'm trying to say you that legal field in itself, it is a field in which we have to be our own army
Hmm.
to run everything on your own. So it is like not an easy work. That's what I'm trying to say.
Nothing is easy.
Hmm.
I am running my own things by my own.
Hmm.
No one is getting benefit from that. I will get a benefit. Right. In total, I am the only one who is working for myself, except my family.
Hmm.
Correct. My family is also working for me. But in last, it's me. In a positive way, I'm telling you this. And I have to do everything. No one will help me out
Hmm.
with anything. One can guide me, one can give me a path ki you have to travel on that track or something, but it's me who will opt it or who will go through it. And how to, it's all about man versus the system. Correct. Man versus the career. Correct. And man versus the other people out there. You have to be extraordinary. No one will make you extraordinary. No one will feel to make you extraordinary. You are the only persons you are the only person who have to be extraordinary in front of anyone. You have to be in limelight. You have to be in picture. You have to become your own actor actress. Everyone is co-actor. Everyone is a basically you can say these
You have
people are just in a frame, but you are the
main
you are in a
character.
lead role. Correct. You have to work like that.
Just
What I think.
be the main character of your
Yeah,
life.
main character of your life. No one, you can say that your friend is working like that,
Mm-hmm.
your friend is working like that and all, and you are working like anybody of your friends are working that much of time, but it's you. You have to create your own kingdom, you have to create your own things there, and you know how you can create that.
True.
इंसान की चीजें खुद के अंदर ही होती है, खुद का माइंडसेट के अंदर ही होता है, उसको पता है वो कैसे करना है।
Hmm.
चीजें आती हैं, बैरियर्स आते हैं, बट अगर वो खुद सोचेगा ना बैरियर्स हैं तो बैरियर्स होंगे। वन ऑफ माय मेंटोर, a civil judge in Dwarka court, is one of my very close persons. One of my, he told me one day that person creates its own restrictions in his mind. If you think that there is no restriction, then nothing can stop you to do things on that.
It is.
And it's like that.
So
Even
that's
I, even one of my, I can tell you that even many of the people told me this. कि रिस्ट्रिक्शन खुद लाता है इंसान अपनी लाइफ में। सोचोगे कि देखो देर आर मेनी, आई डोंट पॉइंट आउट फॉर द सेम, but there are many ladies in the bar, many women, many male persons in the bar. They think that women are not getting rights. They are not getting what they want in this legal fraternity, legal
hmm,
field. But it's all about the mindset.
exactly.
There are women also who are judges.
Hmm.
There are women also who are working very much. They are senior designated advocates, right? So
It's
how
about
they are
the
getting
effort,
such kind of things?
the kind of effort, the amount of effort you put there to
Yeah,
be in a specific place.
correct. So you have to be. You can become anything.
Hmm.
The gender, the disability, the religion, it's just a barrier. It's just a barrier which is created by the men only, by the human being only.
Yeah.
You have to stuck it out.
Hmm.
आपको खुद करना पड़ता है वो। जो आपने माइंडसेट बोला, आपने बोला लीगल फील्ड इजी नहीं है, सो या वी हैव क्रिएटेड दिस आवर ओन, राइट?
Hmm.
सो इफ यू थिंक दैट हाँ इजी है यार, क्या है इसमें, व्हाट इज, आई जस्ट आई एम अ डिक्टेटर, आई एम जस्ट making a story and I have to just dictate the story in front of the judge. That's all. Correct. What else I want to do? What else I have to do in this? Or I will do a kind of extraordinary thing or something कि जज को समझ आए. You just have to dictate the story in your way. कि
But
जज को आपको क्लियरली मोटिव समझ आए कि आप करना क्या चाहते हो, आप चाहते क्या हो, रिलीफ क्या है आपका. करेक्ट.
because you have that mindset, you are putting that effort to your work.
Hmm.
That's what makes you think like that.
It's
So,
not all about the efforts. It's all about how you create your own space. If you know the things can be done without our efforts, do that. If you know it needs a little efforts, do that. But never put extra efforts to everything. You have to create an energy for each and everything in a proportionate manner. If you know that this case needs a 10% of your energy, put it. This case needs 90% of energy, put it. Correct. You have to work like that. You don't have to put your whole energy to a case which needs only 5% of your energy. Correct. You have to be intellect, that intellect to be majorly be in a that much amount of space, and it doesn't matter कि आप कि आपके क्या restrictions हैं. Judge will not know that what restriction do you have. He only wants कि आप कैसे बोल रहे हो उसके सामने, कैसे क्या कर रहे हो. So restriction आपको बनाना भी नहीं है. You don't have to create any restriction. There is no if and but in litigation. There is no if and but in judiciary. You are the person who own creates if and buts. Remove these words in your dictionary. What I say to everyone.
Yeah,
You
I
don't have
learned
to create
something
if,
from you.
you don't have to create but. Correct. If you take these words, even you don't have to tell clients about the same. नहीं, अगर ये हो गया तो वो हो जाएगा. नहीं, ये हो गया तो ये होगा भाई. बात खत्म.
And
Correct.
put it.
No if and buts.
Hmm.
अगर if and but लाओगे, judge will also get a different mindset for you. Correct. क्योंकि if and buts are something which are basically not sure about the nature. It's a thing which courts not sure.
Hmm.
Correct. So you have to use shall. हाँ, it shall करके आप बोलो. Even if you know that Bayer Act never used but. Have even ever seen anything like but in that? If there are many less sections which use if. Correct. But you can't define the if.
True.
ठीक है, तो ये सब चीजें हैं, तो why to use these kind of words?
Hmm.
Correct. So that kind of stuff you have to remember while going with this field, and nothing is impossible.
Hmm.
Even I got a lot of rejections. I got a lot of things. Even I never become a judge, but I got a lot of invitations from many colleges to judge their moot courts. Even I didn't participate in any of the moot court in my college too. I have never done moot court. Never. I haven't done any competition in my college. Correct. Still, I'm getting invitations from colleges. Still, I'm getting recognitions. Right. So, and still, I'm doing my cases. Still, I'm arguing in my cases by my own. So, that stuff you have to create by your own. Nothing will help you.
Hmm.
You are the only one who will help your own self. राइट, तो यही चीज़ें होती हैं. सो कुछ भी नहीं है भाई लाइफ में जो आपको कभी ये फील कराए कि ये नहीं हो सकता है, वो नहीं हो सकता है.
I
एनीथिंग
also
कैन बी
am
हैपन.
noting this down. I've also remembered this because I'll be needing these kind of, motivation and also the phrases which can keep me going for my purpose, what I am learning and going through it, and what I want to do.
Think that you are the only one in the room, and in front of you there is a person who you want to dictate or who you want to tell everything. Correct. If you see that, you will not remember anyone else there. You will like यार हैं लोग हैं, चलो कोई बात नहीं, जो मुझे करना है मैं करूँगी. Correct. If there is a judge sitting there, correct, and you just have to dictate the judge about the case. Never think that you and the judge is there. Think that you both are in a chamber and you are talking to judge in a normal way. That's all. It's like that. When I appeared in Supreme Court for the first time, there's a division bench. So I have appeared there. I was very nervous. So I think of myself given court. कि यार I have to what I tell to everyone. Like basically you are there and there is only one you and the judge, and you are just talking to the judge. You have to think like that only. So I that time I had that thought. I just delivered the arguments, and that was a good day for me. After that, so it's like that only. If you are there, even I have done judicial internships. थोड़ा मुझे ये था कि नहीं यार डर नहीं लगना चाहिए या कुछ भी ऐसा. सो ऐसा ही होता है, बट इट्स ऑन यू. डर और सारी चीजें आप खुद ही लाते हो अपनी लाइफ में. करेक्ट. और वो अगर आप सोचो नहीं है तो नहीं है तो है. वही है, एलियंस आर देयर सो दे आर. बट इफ नो वन इज देयर, only humans are there, so you have to opt that thing also. You have to opt that thing कि भाई humans ही होते हैं, aliens नहीं होता. So it's like that.
As you have already told me that nothing is challenging, we have phrased it very, in a very sleek way, but still, I'm gonna ask you this question that you have worked across many fields. So, what is the most challenging field for you, and what is more, which field is more fulfilling, and why?
Basically, if I tell you about the challenging field is something which is nothing is challenging in nature. मैं ये सोचता हूँ, बट फिर भी somehow matrimonial
Hmm.
is little challenging because आपको कभी भी कॉल आ जाएगा, करेक्ट? आपको कभी भी वाइफ का कॉल आ जाएगा कि हस्बैंड लड़ रहा है मेरे से,
Hmm.
ठीक है? डाइवोर्स कराना है तब भी साथ रह रहे हैं तब भी कॉल आएगा,
Hmm.
ठीक है? रात-रात को कॉल आ रहा है उनका कि भैया समझा लो सर ये लड़ रहा है, अभी केस फाइल करूँगी, इसको समझा दो आप। तो दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ you will hurt, correct? And secondly, if you are doing a pro bono matter, that stuff also hurt because client किसी का नहीं होता, to be honest. I am unfiltering this, but it's the reality. कि client किसी का नहीं होता,
Hmm.
and you have to think of that. You have
And
seen MBBS movie, वो मुन्ना भाई MBBS. So sorry. So उसके अंदर क्या था? उसके अंदर यही तो था कि when lecture हो रहा होता है एंड लेडी वो पूछ रहा है कि भैया आपने क्यों ये फील्ड चूज करी, तो शी वाज लाइक मुझे लगाव है लोगों से, आई वो उनको ठीक करना चाहती हूँ मैं दिल से, वो सब करके। तो ही वाज लाइक, मेरा स्थाना वाज लाइक कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, किसी के साथ आपका लगाव नहीं होना चाहिए। मैंने खुद की बेटे का वो किया था ऑपरेशन एंड ऑल, तब भी मुझे कुछ नहीं था। सो यू हैव टू बी लाइक दैट, यू आर अ सर्जन, बट यू डोंट हैव टू मेक अ कनेक्शन विद द क्लाइंट। इफ यू मेक अ कनेक्शन, वो आपको कुछ नहीं समझेगा। अगर आप उससे फॉर्मल कनेक्शन होगा, भाई तू पैसे भेज, बात खत्म, काम तभी होगा, एग्जाम्पल,
Hmm.
तो आपको वैसे ही रखना उसको। बट सम हाउ पीपल लाइक मी, दे क्रिएट अ कनेक्शन, लाइक दे गेट अ इमोशनल अबाउट द सेम। चलो पैसे नहीं है तो कोई नहीं, बाद में दे देना, ऐसे करके। बट यू डोंट हैव टू मेक इट लाइक दैट बिकॉज क्लाइंट्स आर मच मच ओवर स्मार्ट देन यू नो, क्योंकि आजकल बहुत चॉइसेस है उनके पास, so they get to be over smart a lot of time, ऐसा होता है। Just
can
like
you state an example or a scenario which we have done in real life? Just don't, if you are comfortable with it. Matrimonial
कैसा
cases
एग्जाम्पल, कैसा
in
एग्जाम्पल?
which you have faced this, like a real example, what has happened, or which what made it challenging by the client's side.
क्लाइंट एक तो आपको टाइम से पैसे नहीं देगा, और देगा भी तो कम देगा,
Hmm.
जितना आपने उससे एक्सपेक्ट किया हुआ है उससे कम देगा। वो अलग बात है कि अगर क्लाइंट बहुत अमीर है, वो तब भी अपना को गरीब दिखाएगा। आई हैड अ क्लाइंट, ही लिव्स इन मुखर्जी नगर, नॉट इवन मुखर्जी नगर, साउथ दिल्ली।
Hmm.
ही लिव्स इन साउथ दिल्ली। ही हैज अ 400 क्या बोलते हैं, 400 गज का घर था उसका, ठीक है? और नीचे 3 दुकानें भी थी। वन ऑफ द बुटीक, उसमें एक ब्यूटी पार्लर था, एक बुटीक था, और दोनों उसके ही थे। स्टिल ही वाज पेविंग आउट एंड मेकिंग अ पपी फेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी एंड स्टेटिंग दैट कि आई डोंट हैव मनी,
Hmm.
take this money from me, I don't have, I had a pressure of mine, I have to make funds for that, but I know he has money. He's just paving out that, and even he was like he was known to me, but known, not that known, but we met in a you can say during मतलब traveling करते हुए we met in a group. So he was like कि very kind of person कि I आप मेरा केस करो, मुझे और मेरा एडवोकेट और किसी एडवोकेट पे मुझे विश्वास नहीं है, आप ही केस करो, मैंने आपका आर्गुमेंट भी देखा है। मतलब एक दिन मैंने उसको बुलाया था, तो आई वाज डूइंग एन आर्गुमेंट दैट डे, आई वाज लाइक वेट फॉर मी, तो वो कोर्ट के अंदर ही आ गया एंड ही लाइक सीन माय आर्गुमेंट एंड ही वाज वेरी प्रेज्ड, यार मेरे ही, आप मेरा ही केस करो, एंड वाज लाइक दैट। सो दैट टाइम ही वाज लाइक यार, मतलब he was showing me that he don't have money, करेक्ट? और उसके पैसा नहीं है बिल्कुल भी। So there are many clients who will show you that he does not have a single penny
They
in
do
their
that because
pockets.
they don't see the efforts and the learning you have done. We do throughout the
How much we
process.
spend, how much
Yeah,
expenditure we spend in our internships, in our college life, and everything in our
the
colleges.
years we have spent.
Yeah, correct. And even if I asked him that how much money you were giving to your earlier lawyer and that kind of, so he was like, yeah, I've given him 500 per hearing. So I was like, what? So, uh, so that much of basically lie they used to do.
Hmm.
They used to lie. They used to see कि चलो वकील है कोई नहीं कोई और कर लेंगे that
They
kind of
just
stuff.
see a
So
hearing and they just see the visit. They just see a visit to the court. They don't see the efforts and the learning. They don't
they
see
only want result,
the, yeah.
but they are not willing to invest in the result.
True.
It's like that, and there are 90% of clients are like this only.
Also, I have also saw matlab, your profile in which you have mentioned crypto and crypto law.
Hmm.
So I just read about it. So the field crypto and blockchain is quite new in India,
Not new though.
but
It's
it's more
2016 when crypto came to India, blockchain and crypto. And crypto is something I know. One of my senior mentor, he's a AOR in Supreme Court. I'm having like youngest of the one of the youngest AOR and one of the person who has a chamber in Supreme Court. He has worked with Solus Rabji and other kind of PN Bhagwati and all. And he is very intellectual. So he was also working in crypto. He has written a book on crypto. He is the first person who has written a book on crypto, on crypto laws.
okay.
He's the first person. So I have uh, get a guidance from him how to do work. There are many cases which are, and slowly there will be a space for a crypto law when it will be more basically established with the
Yeah,
time.
right now it is
Correct.
evolving.
Yeah, it is evolving and धीरे धीरे crime बढ़ेगा उसमें भी. So
Hmm.
that's why it will create more opportunities for lawyers to do work for the same. Like there is a case earlier in crypto that जो wallets थे लोगों के वो hack हो गए थे. Correct. So we are creating a social space. We are creating a electronic space where we can work on crypto. But I will not say that it's working in a full fledged manner. But in future it will.
Yeah, it is right now. It is also evolving. It is an evolving field of law.
Government is not putting that much amount of importance to it. What I can say,
Hmm.
they have to put it. But crypto is somewhere which can be hacked easily right now. They are hackers. They are multinational hackers who are doing work to hack crypto and all.
But as we know, there is a rise of AI generated content in digital media. There's a
Deep fake and all.
everything is AI right now.
Hmm. It's a concern though.
Hmm.
Even I have put it a post on LinkedIn stating that AI can be dangerous for us. Why it is
It is.
dangerous? Because it is taking jobs of of like my real mama is an actor, right? So right now, Rapido and other companies they are doing ads, correct, which are AI generated. So they are taking jobs of the actors. We don't
Taking
want to.
jobs and even the human intellectual, human
Yeah,
intelligence also.
correct. So
Because people, yeah,
yes, yes.
so because people, I've seen so many things like
Hmm.
people, kids, and also adults and young lawyers or in every field, even if they gotta write a mail, they go to ChatGPT.
Correct. So because it is like basically everyone uses, yeah. Basically, if you are getting something which is easy to access, right? We have a easy go through movement to it, so you can add that. It's a positive sense.
It is,
Correct.
but what I trying to say is, And what I'm trying to say is it is, stealing the capacity of thinking, how, how one should think, and it is shrinking those
It's
mindsets.
all about the prompt, what I think.
It is,
Correct.
but what I'm trying to tell you
Yeah,
is
I understand.
hmm, the
Basically, the
people don't put much
mindset
efforts.
which you will be investing in your
Hmm,
thinking, that much amount of investment which will not be, even people of our generation, right?
hmm,
We know how to even give the thinking of the same, but the generation which is coming in
hmm.
future, they will get that much amount of problem
True,
which
because
we can't even think of
hmm,
due to AI and all, due to chat GPT and all.
because even the simplest sentence, kids will go to ChatGPT. They won't even think of, on their own that okay, I'll read and write. No, they just want answers and just copy and paste it.
Correct.
Hmm,
These are the things which can be dangerous for us.
hmm,
We don't use our mind, our brain, that scene that which we were using in past.
hmm.
Correct. So it will create a problem. But technology is something which is needed,
True.
but not be in a negative sense.
Hmm,
If technology is stealing your job,
hmm,
correct, then that technology is not important.
hmm,
We have to filter out. Government has to filter out such technologies. They have to make laws
hmm,
that if there is an opportunity to do job, if we are getting a right to do what we have to do as a what employment we have to opt. So government has to make such laws which is which is giving a barrier to making of AI content,
hmm,
right? AI content which can steal our jobs, which can steal a job of an actor, which can steal a job of a lawyer.
hmm,
But like you have seen a ad on YouTube which is circulating, that Rapido has done a AI generated ad in which a AI generated person is saying that book a Rapido through Rapido is now on metro stations also.
hmm,
It is usable in metros also. You can book a metro ticket through Rapido.
hmm, hmm,
So they are using a AI generated prompt.
hmm.
So that is very very dangerous for us because you don't have to take an actor. You don't have to take a you don't have to hire an actor. That much amount of money is basically, yeah, you can preserve, but that is dangerous. Actor, what actor can do, not a AI can do.
And how do you think that with the rise of this content, AI generated content and everything, digital media and everything, the intellectual property rights will adapt it in, upcoming years and everything.
Basically, IPR, you have seen that in last few days, many of the actors, Amitabh Bachchan, not Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, then Sadhguru, then many of the renowned personalities came to Delhi High Court to save their intellectual identity,
Hmm,
their copyright, their identity
hmm,
to be safeguard because of these AI generated and all things.
hmm,
They came to Delhi High Court. So it's on you that you have to, if you want to save your right, then elsewhere lawyers will get money out of it, right? So there is a change. What we can do that we can protect our rights. If we are something which are very if we are a celebrity type person, then we can opt this right.
hmm,
But else for the person in REM,
hmm,
right? We have to create such laws, barring such. Basically, we have IT laws, but we have to create laws for AI also
hmm,
in this changing era, in the dynamic era. That will help us to safeguard our identity. So to sue people who are doing such kind of things,
hmm.
who are breaching our identity, breaching our intellectual rights. Correct. So that step we can do. We can take for the same.
So coming back to the matrimonial cases, because I'm very interested in that. So you also handle divorce cases as you told before and matrimonial cases. So which are more often, emotionally charged, and how do we maintain empathy without losing your professional objectivity? Because you'll eventually have a connection with them.
Basically देखो, I'm like hearing this word twice in a day today.
Hmm.
uh, I heard from the interviewer who were taking my interview right now. He was using this word empathy, and you're also using this word, but I don't think that empathy is a better word to say, because if someone is coming to court, you can't basically take him or her in a empathic manner. You can't even tell them, you can't even give them an emotional touch, because देखो कोई भी आ रहा है ना, तो देखो दोनों का कुछ ना कुछ हो सकता है. We don't create a weightage on one side. Correct.
That's okay, but being on a whatever you are on, whichever clients you are on site, but maybe because everything. Maybe sometimes the client is very honest to you, and he or she tells you everything. It might
in
create a connection, and it might
in
give a sense of
matrimonial
empathy.
cases,
Hmm.
if I tell you the mantra,
Hmm.
never think that any of the parties honest. Never.
Okay.
Never. If a woman can be dishonest, a man can be dishonest,
Hmm.
or both of them can be dishonest. Because why I'm saying this? Because of such scenarios I've seen, like I have, since my experience are there in family courts,
Hmm.
I've seen that many of the women coming to family court, I'm not pointing on one gender, but I'm just telling you, they are very independent in nature. They don't care about the relation. They are very independent. We are independent. सच दच के आना है वैसे करके. It's
Hmm.
their own right, but you can see and state that are नहीं,
Hmm.
हो सकता है कि गलत हो कुछ. You can make a बेसिकली माइंड सेट. हाँ यार, गलत हो सकता है भाई. अगली बच्चे परेशान हो रहे हैं, सब कुछ खराब हो रहा है, और अगली सच धज के आ रही है अपना नेल पेंट अच्छे से लगा के सब कुछ करके. एंड आई हैव सीन मेनी ऑफ द क्लाइंट्स
Hmm.
who are coming and you are like मुझे मेंटेनेंस चाहिए इससे, मुझे इससे एलिमनी चाहिए, मुझे इससे
Hmm.
फलाना चाहिए, और बिल्कुल ऐसे करके. सो देर आर मेनी एंड इवन मेल. What I think of, if you want to categorize between two things, want to categorize, if if you want to seek that woman is right,
Hmm.
correct. If you seek that, you want to seek that woman is right, seek there is a domestic violence. If there is a domestic violence, if there is a evidences of domestic violence, then you can say the woman is right. It's a mantra what I'm telling you, what
Okay.
other advocates also see. I can be wrong, I may be wrong about the same, but it's the thing what I view. And if there is no domestic violence, there is nothing like that, woman is having everything in her, she's having every facility, then a different scenario can be happening. Then हो सकता है कि woman is wrong. And for the men, if you are seeking that men is coming in a मुझे most मोहल्ला में, then men can be wrong. And there is a domestic violence happening, then men can be wrong about the same. It's all about the, even yaar, if you see that in India,
Hmm.
there are many 498A cases, cruelty 8085 BNSs. BNS, sorry. There are some cases which are false in nature, which are frivolous in nature. There are 90% cases in India which are filed in a frivolous nature, a 498A, cruelty and dowry. Why it is happening? What are the scenarios which are stating it out? It is a major question to ask. Major question to ask the society out there. Correct. That's why matrimonial matters are little little crispy, little spicy in nature. That you can even you can't trust any of the party, but you can give a अंदाजा कि यार ये हो सकता है या ये हो सकता है. You can give a presumption. You can only presume that any of the party can be wrong. और वो कोई भी होती है. Majorly 498 cases में फीमेल रॉन्ग होती है ज्यादातर. When female is if she, I have a case या 2 महीने हुए शादी को, अगली कह रही है मुझे इससे एलिमनी चाहिए. आई हैव सच केसेस आल्सो. मैं सीधा मुंह में मना करता हूँ नहीं मिलेगी बहन, ना मैं दिलवाऊंगा.
And there is a rise of, in these false cases and
Because of
alimony
because of
cases.
yeah, because of getting knowledge by
Yeah.
reels, by movies, by such kind of stuff which is in a promotional manner getting promoted, that people are like asking for alimony. They don't know about the right of alimony. They don't know about how court give alimony.
Hmm.
पहले कहा मुझे कितना ही मेंटेनेंस चाहिए. I got a client.
Hmm.
ठीक है. She was 24, 25, same age of mine. She connected me through LinkedIn. She was like, I want to file a divorce case. Okay, divorce case. I want to, the scenario was that I was having my boyfriend. I was in a relationship with him. It's been 7 years of relationship. And my boyfriend ditched me. He broke out, जो भी होता है
Ghosted
ब्रेकअप
and
कर लिया मेरे
everything.
से. हाँ, ब्रोकर मेरे से ब्रोकन जो भी होता है वो कर लिया. एंड फिर मुझे ये लड़का मिला लिंक्डइन में. आई टॉक टू हिम. मुझे अच्छा लगा. हमने 1-2 महीने बात करी. फिर 4 महीने हो गए. फिर हमने शादी कर ली. शादी कर ली तो हम एक साथ रहने लग गए. तो सब कुछ अच्छा जा रहा था. सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे से जा रहा था. तो मैं अपने ना कभी कभी बॉयफ्रेंड से ही बात करती थी. तो मैंने उसको एक बार उसने देख लिया मैं अपने बॉयफ्रेंड से बात कर रही हूँ. तो उसने बस मुझे डांटा कि मैं बॉयफ्रेंड से बात क्यों कर रही हूँ. बट उसे बोला मैंने बोला नहीं मैं उसके बिना रह नहीं सकती तो मुझे इससे बात करना है. तो मैं चल तू बात कर ले कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. मतलब उसने एक्सेप्ट करा कि यार
Arranged.
बात कर ले. काइंड ऑफ इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट. तो मैं बात करती थी उससे. हम गए मिलते भी थे. अब बाद में उसको जेलिसी होने लग गई उस चीज़ से कि वो मैं अपने बॉयफ्रेंड से क्यों मिल रही हूँ. इवन उसने ही मुझे बोला कि मैं अपने बॉयफ्रेंड से मिल रही थी तो उसको जेलिसी होने लग गई. अब मुझे क्या करना है. अब वो ना मुझे फिर दारू पी के आता है तो मुझे फालतू बोलता है. तो मुझे मुझे क्या करना है. मुझे ना इससे मुझे जो भी कुछ होता है मुझे बताओ. मुझे ऐसे नहीं छोड़ना है. इसको डाइवोर्स से करके नहीं छोड़ना.
Hmm.
इनको इनसे रिवेंज लेना है मुझे. मैंने कहा किस बात का रिवेंज. नहीं इन्होंने जो मतलब मुझे ये जो दारू पी के बोलता था मुझे उस चीज़ का रिवेंज लेना है. मैंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है. मैंने बोला आपने अपने राइट से शादी नहीं करी इससे. मैंने हाँ करी है. मैंने बोला अच्छा ठीक है. तो अब चाहते क्या हो अब. नहीं आप क्या क्या कर सकते हैं मुझे बताओ आप. मैंने कहा देखो मेन्यू तोड़ना है. अब मतलब क्या चाहते हो मुझे ये बताओ. नहीं मुझे ना इनसे मेंटेनेंस भी लेना है
Hmm.
और अगर एक साथ भी दिलवा सकते हो एक साथ भी दिलवा दो. मैंने बोला कितना टाइम हुआ शादी को. 4 महीने हुए होंगे. कितना टाइम रहे हो साथ वहां पर. 1 महीना रही हूँ बस. मैंने कहा, "अच्छा, बढ़िया है. मतलब यू आर लिविंग इन द
Even in
हाउस फॉर 1 month.
adultery also.
Not adultery. Adultery is legal now. She can take a divorce on the ground of adultery. I have suggested her to take a divorce on the ground of adultery, but you can't make false cases against the family.
Hmm.
She was getting into like I want alimony.
Hmm.
ज्यादा मैं दिलाओ 20 लाख दिला दो.
Hmm. Because there is a rise in, there are so many people getting alimony. So if
She was just 25 and she
hmm,
was doing such kind of stuff.
क्योंकि अब
I
पता है क्या हो
refused.
गया, जैसे अब बहुत सारे केसेस में है कि एलिमनी मिली है तो अब राइज हो गया, मतलब इसमें इन केसेस में. एंड वी आर सीइंग अ राइज, कि अब मुझे भी चाहिए, मतलब women also, not a
दे
gender based.
ऑप्ट दे ऑप्ट कि यार तो मजा आ गया तो पैसे मिल गए इतने तो मजा आ जाएगा. बट दे डोंट नो द लॉ. देयर
Exactly.
वाज अ एलिमनी ऑफ 400 crores.
Hmm.
वाइफ आस्क्ड फॉर 1000 crores.
Hmm.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट गिवन 400 crores.
Hmm.
ही वाज अ मिलियनियर बिलियनर जो पर्सन था. Even if the wife is driving a Mercedes when she was in the family house course, then court give, even the husband is now driving a Centro.
Hmm.
The still the court will expect that husband will give that much amount of money if the wife is driving a BMW that time.
But yeah.
This is the enemy law.
And also last month, I guess I was reading, I was scrolling, and I, got to read a judgment where it is stated that if a wife is capable of being on her own in her own space and being independent, so then she won't be asking or can't ask for alimony, huge
Hmm.
amount even.
Hmm. Correct. So there can be a changes to it. It's all about the nature of the case. It's all about the case which is finding out of the same. And one of my case also had that both of the couple, basically both of these the spouse on the both the sides, they are earning. They were actors. So the court hasn't given any money or a maintenance to any of the
I
wife
think it
because
is
she was
very
earning.
necessary. It is very necessary.
Yeah, we have to do a preliminary inquiry stating that if the wife is earning or not. The
Because
wife
it is
has to give
totally
a
exploitation.
income affidavit.
Hmm.
You have to seek a income affidavit of both the parties, correct, before giving a alimony or maintenance order. It is a part of judiciary, but we can only suggest as a MK's
Hmm.
query about the same.
And also, it is very necessary to not to exploit someone.
Correct.
Eventually, one or other is getting exploited in so many cases. In 90% cases, if I say.
Yeah, these are the things which are happening.
Hmm.
Correct.
So I've also seen you've been active in legal education and training. So what do you think? Many of the farm, I guess, say training centers that you are now in Nagashala. So what do you think law schools in India are missing out in terms of practical exposure?
If I tell you, basically, practical exposure is something who you have to learn by your own.
Hmm.
What I else think of. Many of the colleges seek to do many of the things like postmortem things and all. But it's so new if you do practical things by your own, it will help you out. You know how to get things happening in your own pocket and everything. So never depend on the colleges
Hmm.
out there because I know the infrastructure of the colleges of
That's
IP and other. So you can't even depend on the same. But
that's what
there is
I
a need.
yeah.
There is a need. What I can say that there is a need of a training of lawyers.
Hmm.
You see that there is a training of basically happening, uh, judicial trainings of judges. There are judicial academies.
Hmm.
Every 2 3 months they are going for training and all. But still, the advocates who are the officers of the officer of the court, who assist the court, who give words to the judges, who are who are dictating the whole case. The judge is there who decides.
Hmm.
But you are here to tell the court that what to decide. You are giving the points to court,
Hmm.
right? So there is a need, as also the designated senior Pradeep Rai told in one of his podcasts that you have to make training centers for advocates also, for lawyers also, for litigants also,
Hmm.
to get them trained about the law time to time.
That's a different thing. But what I'm asking about the law schools. What
Correct.
what the things law schools should opt for so that they can, just train the kids who are coming.
Basically, see why I'm telling you the major scenario.
Hmm.
If I give an example, there are training centers for police,
Hmm.
police academy. There are training center for judges, judicial academies. Correct. You can't spare out a single training center in a college. because you don't know that which student will opt which field. Any of the student can become a judge,
Hmm.
any of the student can become a pp, any of the student can become a litigant, any of the student can go for a corporate law, any of the student can go anywhere, but you can't give them a single training. That's why we don't need any training centers in school or colleges.
Hmm.
School and colleges are where you are getting a training of law.
Hmm.
What is law is all about. So that much extent we can learn from the college or school. But what else in future we have to we have to create such kind of training centers. If a person is want to go to any arbitration conciliation wala field, then you can create any arbitration centers for them, arbitration training centers for them, so then they can excel themselves in that scenario. A person can do LLM, but elsewhere a practical knowledge can be taken by the person after getting into that training center, right? Or else if a person want to do litigation, if a lawyer, if a person want to opt a sole uh, career as a litigant, as a officer of the law, officer of the court, then you can build a training center for lawyers, as Pradeep sir told in a podcast कि भैया lawyers के लिए भी एक training center होना चाहिए,
Hmm.
उनकी भी time to time एक training होनी चाहिए.
Hmm.
That's why in a upper stage level you can create some training centers. You can train them accordingly. But in a lower level you don't have to create such. Because you don't know which student have to go, which student is willing to go in a different direction or in a different way you want to opt. School college में bound कर दोगे बच्चों को. Correct. You don't want to bound them and don't want to bind them in a single aquarium, right?
Hmm. But
Law is a ocean.
yes, but जैसे practical training it means जैसे उनको सिखाना चाहिए how to speak, how to present yourself in a practical way, to give them the exposure, the basic things to everyone, because lawyer, eventually they have to handle the
Hmm.
outer world. So that's what I was saying.
मैं समझ गया आपकी बात.
Hmm.
आप इस चीज को सिखा नहीं सकते किसी को. A person can observe. How I observe, I have seen a lot of senior advocates. I have seen Kapil Sibal, senior designated senior advocate. I have seen Vikas Pava. I have seen Vikas Mahajan. These kind of senior advocates, which are good in this field. You can observe them, right? You can see videos, but because no one can tell you how you have to basically tell the court your contentions. It's your own way. Everyone can't have a similar way,
Hmm.
right? If you are bounding someone to be in that way, the person can't say in a much better way if you are telling him how to speak. It's not like IELTS or it's not like interview practice.
Hmm.
A lot of tuition centers and all that give, right? It's all about how you dictate the code. It's on your own skill you have to create. I never even learned anything. I have observed. You have to see your seniors, how they take relief,
Hmm.
right? It's not a matter of subject, it's not a matter of learning, it's a matter of observing. As an actor, you observe the other actor, correct? And we are the actors only. We are observing, we are creating our act in front of the court, correct? So that much amount of scenario we have. No school, no colleges will tell us
Hmm.
about the same. Even आप ले भी आओ कुछ, तब भी कुछ नहीं होगा. To be honest, it's a
Okay.
part of life which you will be getting out when you will be when you will be becoming that lawyer or that basically personality, and it's on you how you grow.
So according to you, what are the skills and habits, young professional, like young kids who are opting for law should adapt?
Don't get rude in front of the judge. Never. I have seen a lot of people who get rude. Newly graduated lawyers, they don't know how to, like, don't know how to, basically they have to be polite.
Hmm.
If judge is scolding him or her, they have to be polite. They have to, oh my lords, I'm literally sorry, my lords. I'm apologize for the same. Apologetic for the same, and you have to be narrow-minded. You have to be bow down in front of the judge. You have to make a puppy face in front of the judge that you are a newbie and are like that. So you don't have to be get rude. I've seen a lot of people who are getting rude in front of the judge. If judge is asking something, you are like, no, no, I no, no, no. So it's not like that. First thing is this: never get rude to the judge. Even if you are not into that scenario, you don't know the facts. Just state the judge that I don't have the instructions, my lords. My senior will argue the matter. I don't have that much instruction, my lords. I is literally sorry about the same. Please give me the opportunity to tell my senior about the same and all. So you have to first you have to be polite with
Hmm.
everyone, not even with judge, with everyone out there, with staff,
Hmm.
with another lawyer, with everyone. You have to be polite.
Hmm.
Correct. You don't have to be a I'm the superior. No, you have to build your own path by getting polite to everyone. Correct. And secondly, you don't have to go against the law.
Hmm.
If you are debating any law, if you are criticizing any law, first you have to be more over confident about the same. Is there any loophole which I am not stating out? If it's any, if there is anything which is I am wrong about, there is any judgment which states my fact about this law, about my contention about the law. If there is any judgment, I have to provide the judgment to the judge,
Hmm.
stating that paragraph where it is written that my critics are right about the same point which is mentioned by me. Correct. So you have to be more evidentiary in value in front of the judge.
Okay.
Correct.
That's about the
These are the
quote.
two things.
That's about the quote. And also I want to know that when you enter the law school, what should be the approach of a young student, if I say? What should be their
मस्ती कम
approach?
करो,
Hmm.
थोड़ा काम में भी ध्यान दो. ठीक है, मस्ती करने के लिए है लाइफ, बट लेकिन थोड़ा समझो. बिकॉज व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज, इन माय फर्स्ट ईयर, मैं 3 दिन गया हूँ घूमने शामने बस. फिर मैं हमेशा क्लास में बैठा हूँ और पढ़ाई करी है बैठकर, चाहे मेरे मुझे समझ ना आ रहा, फिर मैं पढ़ाई पढ़ाई करी है मैंने. ठीक है. सो यू डोंट हैव टू क्रिएट. आजकल क्या है, बच्चे यार सेकंड थर्ड ईयर में होके, फोर्थ ईयर में होके मस्ती कर रहे हैं. राइट. दैट्स नॉट गुड. यू हैव टू गिव द इम्पोर्टेंस टू द स्टडी. हमारे में तो क्या था, देयर वाज अ कोरोना टाइम आल्सो. That time we have been very much into this. That thing is still in a scenario जो हमें फेस करना पड़ रहा है. करेक्ट. बिकॉज ऑफ जो हमारे मेन लॉस भी थे कुछ छोटे मोटे, वो हम ठीक से नहीं पढ़ पाए.
Hmm.
सो दैट थिंग वी आर लर्निंग नाउ. दो दो तीन तीन बारी पढ़ना पड़ रहा है, सीपीसी सीआरपीसी.
And
ठीक है.
also,
बीएनएसएस न्यू लॉज.
hmm.
करेक्ट. सो वो चीज आपको अगर मिल रही है टाइम टू टाइम, अगर आपको बीएनएसएस पढ़ाया जा रहा है, आपको बीएसए पढ़ाया जा रहा है, बीएनएसएस और बीएनएस पढ़ाया जा रहा है, तो आप अच्छे से पढ़ो.
Hmm.
बंक मारने के लिए, वो सब मारने के लिए दुनिया है. यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर पाथ, एंड इट्स नॉट ऑल अबाउट योर एज. यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक दैट यू आर इन जस्ट फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर स्टूडेंट. I can't do anything. I don't know anything. I have started my internship in my first year itself. I have done 19 internships. 19. करी है मैंने, 19 से भी ज़्यादा करी है, ऑन पेपर 19 है। ठीक है, तो इट्स लाइक कि यू डोंट हैव टू स्टॉप योरसेल्फ, you have to praise the god which has who have given you the thought of learning and that much opportunity to grow in this career, and you have to go in a one pace कि हाँ यार मुझे काम करना है, मुझे आगे बढ़ना है, मुझे और कोई नहीं, कुछ नहीं देखना, बट मुझे पोलाइट भी रहना है, मुझे रिस्पेक्ट भी करना है। अब आई नो मेनी ऑफ द स्टाफ ऑफ चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ दिल्ली, स्टिल दे रिमेम्बर मी। अभी भी मुझे बहुत लोग मिलते हैं, पीयूष जी कैसे हैं आप, खुद बुलाते हैं। So that much amount of importance, amount of respect I gained from them
That comes
because
from
I have given
soldiers.
that
Hmm.
because I have given that respect to them.
Hmm.
जो कोई नहीं देता. There are many people who are coming there and doing judicial internships. Some of them are children's whose parents are judges, IPS officers. Still, they don't care of to respect these people. But who is coming from? I was the only one from IP University, from my college, who has done judicial internship. Still, there is no one. कुछ की तो मैंने लगवाई थी. But the scene is, if you want to create your own space, first thing you have to be polite with everyone. You have to be friendly with everyone. वैसा friendly नहीं होना, थोड़ा लिमिट के साथ होना सबको, even for male and female both. ठीक है, और आपको अपना काम भी निकालना है, उनको भी खुश रखना है, ठीक है, और अपना ग्रो भी करना है। यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक, यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक, और इवन अपने आप का अपना एक स्टैंडर्ड बना के रखना है। मेरा स्टैंडर्ड है, आई वांट टू बी लाइक दैट। अगर कोई वो स्टैंडर्ड मैच नहीं कर रहा, एंड इट्स नॉट अ सेल्फिश थिंग, इट्स अ बेसिक थिंग। अगर वो कोई स्टैंडर्ड मैच नहीं कर रहा तो वो मेरे लायक नहीं है, ठीक है, चाहे वो क्लाइंट हो, ठीक है, चाहे वो आपका कोई फ्रेंड हो या कोई लीगल फ्रेटर्निटी में हो। You have to make your mind to the higher level. What I tell to people nowadays, people are in. I will not criticize. It's their own will. But nowadays, people are like into the district court things. That is not good. आपको कैसे हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि रोड साइड नहीं बनना. You don't be a roadside lawyer, है ना? You have to become something big in nature. ठीक है, आपको रोड साइड बन के अब काम करो, छुप के करो, वैसे काम करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आपको स्टार्टिंग में करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू डू चलान्स, यू हैव टू डू स्मॉल मैटर्स, यू हैव टू डू मैरिज वाला सीन जो होता है, उसमें शादी करवाओ, कोर्ट मैरिज कराओ, छोटी छोटी चीज कराओ, सारे काम करो, सब काम के अंदर हाथ डालो, बस लीगल काम के अंदर, ठीक है, बट छुप के डालो. ये नहीं कि आप गल्ला लगा के बैठ गए हो वहां पर कि मैं तो ऐसा वकील हूँ भैया, चलो करवाता हूँ. ठीक है, अगर मेरे पास भी कोई चालान आता तो वो कम से कम 50 से 60 या फिर 1 लाख तक का होता है, मैं उससे नीचे नहीं करता. आई विल नॉट टेक अ चालान ऑफ लेस देन 50,000. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू क्रिएट योर ओन स्पेस. आपको पता है कि आप इस चीज से पैसा कमाओगे, आप करो, लेकिन उसको अपनी एक प्रैक्टिस मत बनाओ. इट्स अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ लाइफ. डू इट, then forget that thing if you are earning good by your own matters.
Just for the sake of learning, you can do it.
Not just the sake of learning, just the sake of survival.
Okay.
Not only learning. Learning is something बहुत, learning क्या है इसमें, थोड़ा बहुत है, nothing like that. Arguing है इसमें, contesting करते हो कुछ ऐसा आप, but just the sake of survival. You have to think that I want to survive. I've told you that it's like man versus the career. You have to survive your career. You have to build it. Correct. How you want to build it.
But just say for the first generation lawyer, there is no one to guide them most of the time. So what
It's a myth.
kids? Okay,
It's a myth. I am also first generation lawyer.
I'm telling with the most of the people scenario. Okay.
They create their own scenarios.
It might, but it is a scenario.
नो नो नो, इट्स अ मिथ, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ दैट यू आर क्रिएटिंग। मैं तो सोचता हूँ यार, जो सेकंड जनरेशन थर्ड जनरेशन वो सबसे खराब है, उनके तो काम ही नहीं है। मैं तो ये सोचता हूँ, वो उनके पास इंडिपेंडेंस ही नहीं है। पापा ने बोल दिया, पापा कह रहे केस कर चल जा, खुद नहीं कर सकता कुछ भी, जो पापा कह रहे वही करना पड़ेगा। फाउंडेशन,
हम्म।
खुद के मैटर्स भी नहीं ला सकता,
हम्म।
खुद की कमाई नहीं है, सारे फादर के केसेस कर रहा है।
बट जैसे
बताओ।
जो फर्स्ट जनरेशन लॉयर्स होते हैं, अगर वो जैसे लॉ स्कूल में एंटर हुए हैं, ठीक है, उनके पास अभी कोई भी नॉलेज नहीं है, मतलब वो पढ़ रहे हैं अच्छी तरह, तो वो क्या ऑप्ट करेंगे? सबसे पहले वो यही ऑप्ट करेंगे कि हम पहले डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट में जाके थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस ले, यू नो।
हम्म,
क्योंकि
हम्म।
मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स यही करते हैं कि अगर चलो कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं अच्छी तरह, स्कूल वो कॉलेजेस में एक्सपोजर मिल रहा है, बट वो एक्सपोजर चाहते हैं कोर्ट्स का, तो सबसे पहले वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट्स में ही जाएंगे।
डिस्ट्रिक्ट
राइट।
कोर्ट इज अ ट्रायल कोर्ट,
हम्म।
दे आर गुड कोर्ट्स। हाई कोर्ट का इतना काम आता भी नहीं है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट का काम ही आएगा आपके पास।
हम्म।
हाई कोर्ट इज जस्ट फॉर रीजनल जुडिक्शन, एपेलेट जुडिक्शन, ठीक है, एपेलेट के लिए, ओरिजिनल के लिए। सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज फॉर एसएलपी,
हम्म।
ट्रांसफर, such kind of things. So it's all about how you learn. Okay, it's a matter of time, which is with you, how you create it. Correct. It's not all about कि जो फर्स्ट जनरेशन है उसको नहीं है, खुद के कनेक्शंस खुद बनाने पड़ते हैं, खुद आपको एक गॉडफादर बनाना पड़ता है अपना। चाहे वो किसी को बनाओ, किसी जज को बना लो, ठीक है, उसकी सुनो, उसकी समझो, ठीक है, किसी सीनियर को बना लो। सीनियर्स इतने अच्छे होते नहीं आजकल, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट यू कैन मेक अ जज, करेक्ट, जो आपको गाइड करे हर एक चीज में, जो आपको समझे, ठीक है, जो आपको हर चीज में करेक्ट या वो करे, राइट। सो यू हैव टू, इट्स नॉट ऑल अबाउट इफ यू आर अ फर्स्ट जनरेशन लॉयर देन यू कैन डू एनीथिंग, ठीक है, इट्स अ मिथ। You have to create your own connections, you have to create your own space. Things will be still, things will get better soon with you if you do such things in a better manner. It's like that, correct?
True.
ऐसे होता है।
Okay. So, as you know, many people, as I have told you, that in also in my law school, many students and my classmates and everyone is going to district courts for the experience, for the exposure. So they also tell me their experiences that we are doing this, and seniors basically are not very good and not very interested in teaching them how to. So that's the crisp is we have to make our own way, own path to learn, right?
बेसिकली इट्स नॉट अबाउट टीचर्स, क्योंकि टीचर्स को भी आदत हो गई कि बच्चे कुछ पढ़ते ही नहीं है।
Hmm.
अब मेरा क्या था, व्हेन आई वाज इन माय लास्ट ईयर, नॉट इन माय लास्ट ईयर, इन माय फोर्थ ईयर, तो बहुत कम बच्चे कॉलेज आते थे, और जो आते थे वो लेक्चर को अटेंड नहीं करते थे। तुम्हारे एक टीचर आते थे सोशियो इकोनॉमिक ऑफेंसेस के, सब्जेक्ट था, तो वो एडवोकेट ही थे खुद भी, तो वो एडवोकेट होते ही वैसे वो कोर्ट से ही सीधा आते थे, तो क्लासरूम पूरा खाली होता था।
Hmm.
आई वॉज द ओनली स्टूडेंट हु इज सिटिंग इन फ्रंट डेस्क, और मैं पढ़ता था उनसे। ऐसा होता था कभी कभार तो पूरा, क्योंकि लास्ट का कुछ लेक्चर होता था, मैं तब भी रुकता था, मैं पढ़ता था कि क्या पढ़ा रहे हो, ठीक है। इट्स जस्ट नॉट टू गिव हिम अ रिस्पेक्ट,
Hmm.
बट टू लर्न, करेक्ट। तो हमारा ऐसे भी होता था कि बच्चे कोई नहीं होता था, फिर मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ। भाई अगला आ रहा है हाई कोर्ट से भी, और पढ़ाने भी आ रहा है, तुम्हारे लिए आ रहा है
Hmm.
इतना दूर, ठीक है, और तुम उसके लेक्चर ही मत लो। और परेशान होता था वो, और वो पढ़ाता था अच्छे से, चाहे मैं अकेला बैठा ना तब भी वो अच्छे से पढ़ाता था। हमारे जो टीचर थे, ठीक है, पढ़ाते थे अच्छे से। तो ये सब चीजें होती थी, करेक्ट। तो हम ऐसा भी करते थे, ठीक है, जो सर थे हमारे वो पढ़ाते थे अच्छे से,
आवाज
तो
आ
हम
रही है,
ये सब
बाहर
पढ़ते
चले
थे।
जाओ, गाने की आवाज भी आ रही
आजकल ये सीन नहीं
है,
है
मैं बंद
बच्चों
कर
में,
दूंगी।
मैं समझता हूँ थोड़ा बहुत।
Okay, that's true. मतलब the basic thing is we have to create our own path.
या
And
कोई बनाएगा नहीं आपके लिए.
hmm, as we have talked about, the slums areas and the layman's, so what can be done to make legal help more accessible and approachable for common citizens and layman or whatever the people who don't, have more aware about this?
Basically, about legal aid, legal help.
Hmm.
There are many less NGOs who are working for this. I don't know. There are even NGOs also who are working. But what we can create, we can, because these people are not willing. They are lazy in their space. They don't want to be in the court and all. But if someone is genuinely distracted by this things, by these kind of cases, and their right is getting into in a bucket or something, or they are not getting enough justice, so then we can even try to give them the correct knowledge about the legal scenarios,
Hmm.
and we have to protect them that law is is for your protection.
Hmm.
Okay, it will help you to give you justice, correct?
Hmm.
So that thing we can do, but else
Yeah.
we can only promote it by way of mouth, going to their places, telling them about the law, giving them knowledge. There are 80% people who are not interested. There are only 20% people who are interested in listening to you, who
Hmm.
will be coming to you that you are wearing some clothes and all, and they are coming to you, and what is happening here? They will ask. They will think that anybody from the government came here and taking a survey. But that thing is little different, and they will ask you about the same, that आप कैसे आए हो, सब बताओ क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा, and they will tell about the issues, but they are not willing to come out for the same.
Hmm. As you
Yes,
told me before, the
yes,
real scenario.
yes, yes, yes.
So, as we are okay, so I want to ask you your perspective. If you could bring one major reform to the Indian legal system, according to you, so what would it be and why?
Basically, major reform is something what I can do as a president or prime minister.
As an authority, if you have the authority to, just bring a reform or kind of thing, a
Reforms तो
change.
यार पार्लियामेंट लाती है
Hmm.
एज अ इन अ कमेटी, राइट?
Okay, think as an authority, you have the authority to bring some reforms or bring a change to the legal system. So what it would
Speedy trial, I can say, make it after Malamat committee.
be? Hmm.
I can make one more committee to give a boost to our legal system and make it more speedy, because there are many cases in Mumbai also. Even Supreme Court has stated that there are cases which are going since last 6 years. There are pendency since last 6 years. Cases are pending till 10, 20, 15 years, right? And there are backlogs. There are, like, you can say that if there is basically the tendency of regular matters are
Hmm.
raising, correct, in high courts and different courts, correct. Even there are less amount of judges are there. We
Yeah.
want to rise the
Hmm.
vacancy of judges. We have to make our exams in a that scenario manner.
Hmm.
We are still going with a you can say in a systematic way, which is also negative in nature.
Hmm.
We are making such question papers that are roughly basically moreover into the legal knowledge. We are just making out questions out of the gray area.
Hmm. Hmm.
So how a person can crack it? They are
True.
seeking us to be a kitabi kida,
Huh.
but no one can be a kitabi kida, right?
Hmm. So it
We
is
have to make
also.
it easy.
Hmm. So if you you're given an authority, you can also change, you can also make some changes in the education system too, so that they can, the way children learn the things, the way people will learn and teach.
एजुकेशन सिस्टम तो हाँ यू कैन से दैट कैन बी अ चेंज बट एजुकेशन सिस्टम हमारा बहुत वास्ट है बहुत ब्रॉडर नहीं है इफ यू सी इन चाइना
Mm,
देयर इज अ वेरी नैरो एजुकेशन सिस्टम
mm,
they don't even care about the studies they care about the sports
mm,
they care about the technology they seem that if someone wants to play basketball give them the whole training of basketball correct उसको थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ाई भी कराओ लेकिन बास्केटबॉल की और ट्रेनिंग दो
that's why it is an evolving and the biggest come
Olympic
fight.
champions they have a lot of medals
Mm,
even in USA you will see a lot of advantage or a lot of knowledge they have now they create their own basically database of human beings what they are producing out. So India has to make something which is more ever better to create a scenario that will give us a boost. पहले तो बैकलॉग ठीक करो अपने
mm,
जो बैकलॉग्स हो रहे हैं उनको ठीक करो केसेस को ऐसा बनाओ कि स्पीडी ट्रायल हो इवन इंडिया इज डूइंग दैट वी आर क्रिएटिंग लोक अदालत इवनिंग कोर्ट्स
mm,
to basically dispose of these cases in a speedy manner.
mm.
But it will take time, moreover, and it will create an impact in a thorough manner in future.
Yeah, it is. Lastly, what will be your message to young lawyers who look up to you? Many kids, many students follow you on the social media platforms who look up to you. So, what will be your message to them?
मेरा ये मैसेज रहेगा यार कि बी रिस्पेक्ट बी रिस्पेक्टफुल टू योर सीनियर्स देयर आर मेनी पीपल who don't have that much respect. I have seen a lot of students who text me hi Piyush or something like that. Even they are in their first year,
Mm,
right? So that much amount of respect you have to give
mm,
to your senior. Second year student texting me, hi Piyush, how are you? I want to do internship under you. That kind of stuff. They are texting me. No sir, nothing, no salutation, nothing else. I'm getting messages on LinkedIn. I want to do internship. सीधा hi, I want to do internship. और कुछ नहीं. No CV, nothing, no salutation, no. When I asked for CV, 3 दिन बाद CV आ गया. So they have to take care of such small things.
mm,
You have to respect your senior about the same.
mm,
थोड़ा आपको सैल्यूटेट करना है उनको. अगर आप सैल्यूटेशन के बारे में बोलो उनसे,
mm,
so they will like कि you have to create your own respect.
mm,
What is this? Why? There are many people out there, many, and especially students of first, second year, third year, majorly females. मेल भी हैं ऐसे बहुत सारे
गेट बंद कर दो
ये भी
आवाज
है
आ रही है.
सो दैट थिंग वी हैव टू गिव अस चेंज कि आप अगर किसी से बात करना चाह रहे हो अगर यू वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ if you want to work with that person you have to respect you have to create a respect first you have to salutate that person you have to be polite with that person right you have to be very conscious what you are telling what you are saying to that person very conscious even if that person knows you
Mm,
still you have to be very polite to that person very polite and very respectful in front of him or her
mm,
what I think of. Still I am like I know many judges still I respect them still I say them sir bhaiya ma'am right still I respect them still I be like I will not indulge him in like अरे ऐसे यार नहीं still I talk in a respectful manner
respect is very necessary, for everyone.
for everyone even someone who is very who is like who is younger to you
Hmm.
still give them respect
Yes,
still
it
give
is
them respect
non-negotiable.
Yeah, it's not negotiable. Even if you are taking it in on your egos,
Hmm.
कि इसने कैसे बोल दिया मुझे सर मैम बोलने के लिए,
Hmm.
तो व्हाई यू आर टॉकिंग टू, इसने बोला तो नहीं आपको
True.
मेरे से बात करो, आप कुछ भी. So it's like that.
Hmm.
It's like that. If you want to, there's a systematic way.
Hmm.
So if you are want to do work in some office, first you will be salutate. You will ask, sir, धीरे धीरे बात करो. थोड़ा सा समझो कि सर आई वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ योर ऑफिस और आई वांट टू बी with you sir, I want to work in your guidance. Then if that person accept, then give them a CV. Sir, may I send you the CV of mine? This is systematic. I got mail. I want to do internship. I respected. I want to do internship.
Hmm.
Bas. LinkedIn में. Hi, I want to do internship. So that kind of stuff they did. So
Kids
that,
don't, know the weightage, the weight they carry in their words.
they don't know. Even there are a lot of people who get contempt.
Hmm.
They don't know what is the criminal contempt, civil contempt they can get if you are talking in a such word in front of any judge
Hmm.
or someone in authority. Correct.
Hmm.
So that thing they have.
Thank you
Yes,
so
ma'am.
much. That was such an inspiring and insightful conversation with you.
Yeah, same
And
here.
thank you for taking your time to share your journey and experience with us. Thank you for being here.
I also thank you for giving me that this kind of opportunity to even give you that one knowledge what I have. I know this is a less knowledge, but it's like I can see that it will help further other law
It
students
will,
and
it will.
professionals to basically uh, upgrade themselves in this legal career. Right. Uh, Thank you, and I hope that it will give a impact. Your podcast give a basically knowledge to every law mind and civilians, and
It
they
will.
can opt.
Even
Yeah, they can opt in a better way.
I'll take away a lot of wisdom from today's our conversation episodes and everything.
Yes,
Even
yes,
I am
thank you.
learning so much, and of course, the people who will
Hmm.
watch this, the kids will learn
Hmm.
so much.
Yeah, correct. Hoping all the best for your
Thank you so much.
more podcasts which you will be giving on YouTube. Correct. And I will also promote it in further.
Yeah. I'm
Right?
sure I'm always looking forward to invite you again and again.
Yeah. Most welcome. Most welcome. I
Thank
will
you
be
so much
sure.
for being here. Thank you so
No
much.
issues. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye. So, to everyone listening this, do not forget to subscribe and follow the Lex Report podcast for such meaningful conversation with legal experts and change makers. Thank you. This is Pragya Sharma signing off. Until next time, stay curious, stay aware, and keep learning through law. Thank you so much.